In this episode, we'll be heading to Waterberg Plateau and joining a game drive where we were lucky enough to get to walk with rhinos. So, we hope you'll join us. Sadly, this is our final night in the Namibian wilderness. However, not everything is lost because this is a spectacular, beautiful place. This is, again,
Waterberg Wilderness Lodge.
We're at the Anderson camp here. There's lots of animals here too. We're going on a game drive tonight, so that should be a bit of fun. One last game drive before we start to head back. We'll be a bit sad about this. Each of the campsites at Waterberg Wilderness Lodge get their own private bathroom, although it's worth noting that these are not necessarily located directly next to your campsite, as each building has a couple of bathrooms next to each other, so it doesn't feel entirely private. We really liked the campgrounds though. They were nice and shaded and offered a lovely view of Waterberg Plateau. We were picked up directly from our campsite for our afternoon game drive, and our guides were super knowledgeable.
A termite, like a wood termite, it can kill a tree. That's why when you see some of our tree here, they are dead.
We were lucky enough to spot a couple of animals along the way, like this giraffe hiding amongst the vegetation, and this African hawk eagle. But the real stars of this game drive are the park's population of white rhinos. While we had been more or less guaranteed to see rhinos, what we weren't expecting was the opportunity to get out of our safari vehicles and walk with the rhinos. It felt a little nuts trying to keep up with these guys, and I think we might well have had second thoughts if we'd realised that there was actually a large male following our group from behind. We didn't know this though. Our guides weren't at all concerned though. They know these rhinos really well, as there are private security guards with them at all times, day and night, so as to prevent poaching.
He's already got the females, and this one will defend him from the other bull, so he pretty much got her in the pocket.
A nice drink while we spent some time observing them going about their business. This would not be at all possible with black rhinos, apparently, as they tend to be a lot more aggressive. So this was an amazing experience to finish off our Namibian adventures. The next video that we're planning to put out, and our final video from Namibia, focuses on all of the campsites that we stayed at. So if that's something you're interested in, you may want to keep an eye out for that one. Until then, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.